Like this next car that is a little bit more sporty, although it doesn't have the word sport in its name. But it definitely is a sports car from Germany and has some of the best styling in the past couple of decades. And back in the late 90s, it brought a new era of affordable sports cars from the German automaker. And while I definitely won't say that the Boxster competes directly with the quality offered in the 911, or the racing pedigree, or the values, meaning, the cars are appreciating, the Boxster is something pretty special because the 987 generation, the second generation of Boxster, not only looks sweet, but is extremely fun to drive.